Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We are the RC Sailors. Today we're at our airfield to announce the winner of the challenge that we had you guys request for us. The cool challenge from
HighVolts Entertainment.
he asked us to do a little bit of dogfighting with streamers, but we're going to put a little bit of our own spin on it because right now, well, first of all, that'd be really hard for us to film. We don't really have a way to, other than like a hat cam, but that wouldn't film very well. So what we want to do is fly FPV behind the Sensei, and I think I'm just going to chase her around with streamers on. I don't know if I might get close enough to snip them, but then again, I'm not that good at flying yet, so I don't know if I want to do that. But here we go. Abby's going to be on the Sensei, and I'll be flying the Black Widow FPV.
Let's go.
So HighVolts, just send us a message with your mailing address and we'll get a quad shipped out to you. And then for everyone else that wants to win a free RC, just watch our Highlight Monday video. We'll announce then how you can win a free RC. We give one away every single month. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.